So what's the difference between a GP and an LP? A GP is a general partnership. In most states, the general partnership is the default legal business structure when two people work together. The general partnership, it's the default legal business structure in most states when two or more people work together. It's often created automatically without the people doing anything. When the partner's actions, the implied conduct creates the general partnership. You don't need a formal written agreement to form a general partnership. And in a general partnership, both people have unlimited liability. So if you and your neighbor decide to start a lawn care business and you buy a riding mower and start cutting lawns and one of you injures a client, he can sue both of you and you both have unlimited liability. So I did say that the actions can form a general partnership even without a formal written agreement, but it's best practice to have a formal written agreement which would set out how the partners share profits and losses, make decisions, handle disagreements, manage the exits. And even if you didn't file anything with a state to create the general partnership, you still would need to do things like obtain an EIN number, the employer identification number from the IRS for tax purposes. If you're using a different name, you'd have to file a DBA, a doing business as, or a fictitious name certificate in whatever state or county you're operating in. And certain lines of business obviously require business licenses and permits, so you would need to obtain that. And if a lot of that stuff, especially the unlimited liability, sounds unappealing, that's why they have the limited partnership. And LPs are very commonly used by entities like hedge funds. Sometimes real estate partnerships use them, but they also use LLCs. And for a limited partnership, you do have to file something with the Secretary of State in each state. And the difference between a GP and an LP is a limited partnership has limited liability for the investors, but the general partner has unlimited liability. And the general partner would be the one who manages the business. So in the case of a hedge fund, the person managing the investments is the GP and the investors are the LP, and ditto for real estate investments. So in a general partnership, everyone is liable for everyone else. In a limited partnership, you have the investors and one general partner who has unlimited liability. And if you want to be a general partner, but you don't want to have unlimited liability, a common thing to do is to have the general partner be an LLC. And now the documentation starts getting a little complicated, especially for smaller entities. And that's why there's such things as the LLP and the LLLP, the limited liability partnership, and the limited liability limited partnership, which we'll do a video on soon. So my name's Pete. I'm a lawyer with 25 years experience. If you'd like to work with me either on a consulting or legal basis, just leave a comment below or see my contact info in the bio. If there's other videos you'd like to see like this, just leave a comment on what you'd like to see and like and subscribe so you see future videos like this. And because I'm a lawyer, I'll give you a disclaimer. This is for educational and informational purposes only. It's not intended to be legal advice and does not form an attorney-client relationship between you and I. There is no duty to update. And if you have any questions about your specific legal circumstances, talk it over with your attorney or financial professional. Have a great day, everyone.